What's up, YouTubers? We're using Mom's Little Boutique. As you know, Mom is a online seller of bags, accessories. So if you wanna buy some, screenshot it, say mine. Don't forget to share. Okay, we're gonna use Mom's table. We're gonna use Mom's table because we're gonna unbox my new cell phone. And it's... Yes, you're right. My old cell phone was 13 Pro Max. Well, last year I didn't change for the iPhone 12, so you cannot say that we're impractical. We just buy phones yearly basis every time the iPhone produce a new phone. Before we were like that, but now not anymore. We're more practical. We skip the 12 iPhone now. We got the 13 one. So, well, there's no problem if you like to buy it on a yearly basis. If you have money, might as well buy it, right? It's your choice, it's your money. But if you don't have money, that's when humans become impractical. Okay, let's unbox it. Here's the seal. I'm gonna take it off. Okay, let's see. And we're gonna compare it later. Yeah, look, it's new. Here it is. Aww. I like the color. Look. Blue. So let's compare. Let's take it off. Let's first check the box. So it has a cable, a lightning cable. It's for charging. That's the only thing they have inside. You know, it costs like $17, I guess, $1,700. In Japan, it costs like 90 Jukuma. Okay. And nothing else. That's just it. And like before that, they used to have everything on it. Now they don't. Okay. I'm showing off my dreads. I don't know how long. There's like 4 years, I guess. No cutting. Natural dreads. Okay, let's turn it on. Can you see it? Which? I'm gonna choose this one. English. It says choose a network. So we have to put it on internet. Wait. Okay, we just put the internet. Next, let's just wait. Face recognition. After, it's looking for a 6-digit password. I'm so happy. You know, I don't want to change my phone because I want to change my phone because it have been abused for editing. I'm not gonna let go of my phone. This is my phone. This is where I shoot, and that one I'm gonna use for editing. So this one won't be corrupted. Apple ID is. So in size. Could you see? It's a lot bigger. A little. Let's wait. You know, I'm using my wife's cell phone. It's just the same, but it's gold. Let's wait. I'll show you our Daruma, the one when we attended the kick-off event last weekend. You know, while we were painting this, we were asked to wish for something, and our wish is definitely for Philippines to have the rightful leader for everybody. And that's who else? Look at the color. Remember the color. Okay, let's check. Not yet. See how clear the camera is. That's what, you know. I don't know. You know, I don't know if it's just because it's a new phone, but we all know the conspiracy behind every new phone of Apple. What they do, they boost up the applications, all the cameras, and then all the old phones, they downgrade all the datas inside, and then they downgrade everything, even the pixels, the voice quality, everything. So I don't know if it's just because of it's a new phone, but then if you could see on the camera, it's definitely bigger. It's a lot bigger. So maybe that's the purpose of it, for the zoom. There, look. This is called the cinematic. This is a built-in cinematic app of the camera. It focuses the subject, and it blurs everything, as you could see. So if I move, it focuses there. I'm gone. If I move out, this is gone. So that's the difference. Again, see, I'm gone. I'm gone. It focuses on the camera. Look. It focuses in me. It's gone. Everything is gone. That's the difference, I think. So I like it because right now we're doing lots of videos of blogging vids. So this will help our video quality more, right? I like it. Restore complete. Here it is. Oh, look. It took everything. Took everything from my old phone. It's downloading everything on it. See? Whoa. That's nice. You have to go and visit your cellular company and then have your SIM card from here, switch from here, switch to this, because it's not gonna work. Even if you put the SIM card from here, from this phone to this phone, it won't work because it's 5G already. This 4G. You have to visit your company. You have to visit the phone company that you are using. We could check the camera. Yeah. It's really clear. This is the one I'm talking about, look. This one. Cinematic. Look. It blurs everything. Everything around me. That's cinematic. I don't know what else do they have different from this phone. So that's it. If you have more questions or something, you could freely ask me in the comment section and we'd love to answer it. So thank you, mommy. I love you, one. Really happy for this one. So that's it. Hope you like it. Just like how I like my new stuff. Okay, that's it. Remember, wise up.
Please like and subscribe.